Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can add customer product review on Shopify with a picture. So in order to add customer product review on Shopify with a picture, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, log into your Shopify account. In order to add customer review into your Shopify account, you'll need to first of all enable it. For that, you need to go to apps. After that, on the search box, go ahead and tap on apps and sale, which is right at the bottom. After that, click on Shopify App Store. Once you've done this, you'll be able to see multiple apps. So here you need to go ahead and type in Revo. So after you type in Revo, you'll be able to see multiple suggested lists. You need to tap on the application that is Revo Product Review app and UGC. Click on install button. In my case, I've already installed. So click on the open button, and after that, it's gonna take you to the home page. Now, in order to enable this feature, you'll need to have a premium account. If you don't have one, you'll not be able to access any of its features. So as soon as you've done that, now in order to access this particular feature, you need to have a premium account. If you don't have a premium account, you'll not be able to see this feature. In my case as well, I don't have a premium account, but if you have a premium account, you'll be able to see a dashboard. After that, first of all, you need to set up a widget. So click on widget, and as soon as you click on widget, you'll be able to make changes with your review page, or you can just go ahead and customize your review page. As soon as you've done that, you'll need to just go ahead and enter in all of the information. And once you've done that, you've successfully set up a review page. And you'll need to head back to your Shopify homepage or the product page, and from there you need to select the review that you wish to add it to your Shopify homepage. Once you've done selecting the review, you'll need to go ahead and check all of the information, and you'll be able to find an option as added to your Shopify homepage. Once you've done that, you've successfully added the product or the review onto your Shopify homepage. So in this way, you can add customer review into your Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.